Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, are you a TikToker? Are you active on TikTok? Do you have some followers on TikTok? Do people respond to your, videos? Did they like your comments? Did they comment? Did they like your videos? Interact with your videos? Now, this video is for you because you are going to make a lot of money. Now, this video is about how you can make money from TikTok by just, using artist songs, music from TikTok. You integrate those music in your videos, respond to the videos, that's the music, use them in your videos, then post on TikTok and you monetize it. So TikTok is willing to partner with you. They will pay you for the videos you make using songs from artists. This the good part is once you do this, you're actually promoting those music for the singers, that's for the artists. As such, they go viral, people get to hear about their songs and all. So these opportunities for you, if you are willing to make money from TikTok, from any part of the world, working for TikTok and the artist. Just follow the instructions I'll be giving and you'll be fine. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is go to the menu side and click on, you see this creator tools, then click on work with all artists. And how do you work with artists? You become, you must be 18 years old at least, have more than 1,000 followers, pass anti-cheating verification. And after that, it takes you to the promotion page that it says work with artists. Then you see get rewarded for videos using the artist songs. After that, they said the better your video performs, the more you earn. Now they say start creating and submit your video now. That means if you have 1,000 followers, you can actually just make money, good money from TikTok. Now, once you do that, it says set up your payment account. You can see this person is saying the maximum you can earn is about £300. Some are saying $300. So you can make as high as $300 from promoting the songs on your videos. Now you can see it says once you create account, you have to set up your payment account. So that's what we're about to do now. Now we go to payment payout setup, and after that you go to your payment method. Then once you do that, you can also decide to ignore, but for this purpose let us just do the video once and for all. Now once you do that, you can see Nigerians are allowed, say country, region, Nigeria. Now you select the country, and then bank transfer, they charge 1.5% fee. So you have to add your bank details and you're good to go. But before that, you're going to verify the account. That's what we're about to do right away. So they will send you a code and you have to input the code. Once you do all this, you are good to go. Just input the code and your account will be verified. Once it's verified, you can start making money from TikTok. So guys, I hope the explanation is all right. Just make sure you have 1,000 followers at least. Then make sure you are 18 years and above. And number three, you are ready to promote the songs. You're going to make a lot of money from TikTok and you'll be fine. If this is your first time of watching our videos, please don't leave without subscribing to this channel. I love you so much and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.